All right, today is Friday, February 12th, 2021, and I am Mr. O'Brien with today's weather. We are very, very fortunate to get a lot of change in the weather in the last couple days. Yesterday it was nice and warm. We had some warm water molecules coming in at us. Today we had a lot of cold air coming in from the north. So what it did was all those water molecules yesterday that was just sitting here got hit up by that cold air that came in from the north, and it's still coming. Right now, we got some stratus clouds, what are turning into some nimbostratus clouds, and it's going to progress as the day goes on. We just started to have a little bit of precipitation here, and it is getting cold. Right now, the temperature is 37 degrees. We know that at 32, we're going to hit that freezing point. And if we have the precipitation still coming by that time, we might see some snow. But currently right now it is 37 degrees. So if you are going to go outside, I recommend that you get a nice insulator on. Now the wind is making it even more cold right now. If you look at our anemometer right here, you can see that it's spinning. And it's going in gust. It'll go fast and slow for a minute. So when we have our gust, we're hitting 12 miles per hour. When we pick up some grass, and right here we got our wind vane, it is pointing in the direction the wind is blowing to. So when we throw our grass up into the air, we can see that currently right now our wind is blowing to the north. Since all those water molecules got hit by that cold air coming from the north, you can see that all those water molecules went up into the air. Right now it is extremely humid. Our hygrometer is reading 90% humidity. So there are currently a lot of water molecules in the air, which that could cause a lot of precipitation later on today. We are currently experiencing a very low pressure day. As you look at the weather map, you can see that the motion of the clouds are blowing from the west to the east. The westerlies are pushing those clouds out towards the Atlantic Ocean. Also, you should see them rising a little bit because that Gulf Stream is trying to come up to the north. But since we got that cold air really coming down from us from the north, that Gulf Stream is having a really hard time to affect the weather. Remember, guys, even though that the wind right now, we can feel that wind blowing to the north. That is because we're experiencing the local winds. The local winds are the winds that you can actually feel. When we go up and we talk about the prevailing winds and we're looking at the radar, we're watching those clouds getting pushed off towards the Atlantic Ocean. They're coming from the west to the east. When we look at our barometer, we are experiencing a very low pressure day, and the pressure is continuing to drop every hour. And that is all we got from Rockfish Hoke Elementary School. Have a great weekend.